The follow-up to priming ourselves to adapt to changes in our plans is by evaluating our plans carefully. To evaluate in the context of the goal-oriented planning framework means to evaluate our actual results versus desired outcomes more closely. In doing so, we might ask ourselves the following. What are the differences between what we accomplished versus what we wanted to accomplish? How could we approach each action item differently? We might look back into elements such as estimated baseline performance, scheduling, etc. in order to determine this. At what level does change need to occur? We could examine adjusting our action items, plans, goals, and even our original interests if we decide that a particular goal was not for us down the road. A great example of this is changing majors in college. Once we are done evaluating different parts of our plan at different levels of goal-oriented planning, we could begin the refinement phase. The refinement phase will be largely based on evaluation findings or what your evaluation suggests. When refining, we look into specific parameters of our plan, such as deadlines. An example would be, should the action item or goal be moved a week over or a month over? Performance metrics. Should we reset the goal of hitting 75% of free throws for basketball to 50% of free throws? Baseline performance. An example would be, given that we were able to hit 40% of free throws in the first month, what are the chances we would be able to hit 50% of free throws by the end of next month? Similar to evaluation, interest, goals, and plans can also be refined in the same manner. Revisiting and refining each step will allow us to highlight more efficient paths to goal attainment and give more clarity to our intrinsic motivations.